Hello, and I wanted to give you a quick rundown. I seen a lot of people asking questions about these. So I have a Dometic Ultra Breeze Vent cover on my electric fans, and I'm gonna run that with my Mira app. And right now they're up with the fan running, so I'm gonna hit the down, and you should be able to hear it from here. Here's down. Can't hear it. Can we see it though? Anyhow, these motors amp out. So when they go up or when they go down, when they stop, they amp out. See, right now the back is down. So we're gonna go up on the back. I can see it going up. I just watched it, and then it amped out. Well, I'm gonna go inside and show you also how they work. So anyhow, here's the front one, and it's up. So we're gonna go ahead and go down with it. Down now. That's the front one. The fan's gonna continue to spin even though it's not. Because when the vent goes all the way down, the fan stops spinning. Anyhow, we're gonna go in. I'm gonna leave it in the up position. So when we start our video, they will already be up, and they already will have the fans running. So I'm gonna cut, go inside, show you how they work from the inside. See you in a bit. Okay, this is a continuation of my Dometic Ultra Breeze Vent cover video. Here's my mid-coach fan running. I'm gonna go ahead and put, it's called the galley fan. I'm gonna put it down with the app. And watch, it shuts itself off because the motor amps out. Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and open it. And like I said, I have the vent covers on. You'll be able to see them. Hits it, amps out, and it's done. And I put the vent covers on myself, and it's the Dometic Ultra Breeze covers. They're real easy to install. We're gonna go here in the bathroom. I'll show you the same thing again. I got this one running. It's not as accessible, but you can still see it. Okay, I'm gonna turn my fan off, and I'm gonna run my vent down. It's got the Dometic Ultra Breeze Vent cover, just like you seen when I was upstairs looking down. I've got see-through lids on these. I guess that's what they came with. This is a 2022 Tiffin red. Okay, here goes up. There you go. I'll go ahead and turn the fan on too. I'm kind of hot here. Oop. Darn. I was gonna let you listen to the motor amping out. Anyhow, what they do is they hit. We'll do it one more time. I'll sweat through it one last time. Then I'll show you what they are. I got a picture of them on my phone. Okay, going up with no fan. Dometic Ultra Breeze Vent covers. There you go. Okay. So, let me get you the picture here. It's in my photos. photos. That is what is on there. Dometic U1500GR Ultra Breeze Vent cover. I put the smoke ones on. And that's a Camping World photo. Anyhow, thanks for looking. More Tiffin videos on my website. We got the dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, ice maker, you name it. There's a bunch of them. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.